Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Free Premium, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the Zepp application. Tap on device. Here you should see your Active Free Premium on the device page, and under it you will see the watch faces. Tap on this watch faces button or category. It will open the watch face store, and here you can browse through different categories of watch faces, look for something you enjoy, and once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it to see the info about it. So let's say I like this one, and here we have the info about the watch face, how it looks like. We have the recommendations. You can add it to favorites, so basically once you uninstall it, it will stay on the favorite list, so it is going to be easier to find. And once you decide to download the watch face, you can tap on sync. It will start downloading and then applying on your watch. And once it's done, basically it will apply automatically like this. And you can download multiple watch faces, and once you download them, you can check the list of watch faces installed on your watch by tapping on mine right here in the store, and then tapping on, or rather not tapping, but scrolling through the list of my AMAZFIT Active Premium list. And here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch. And at some point you probably will run out of the space. Basically, I believe it's limited space. So once you run out of the space and you want to install something else, you will need to remove something. And to remove the watch face, you go to this list, tap on delete, select the watch face you want to remove from your watch, then tap on delete and tap on OK, and the watch face will be removed, and then you can install something else. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.